Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to give a little display of a homemade egg incubator, and this is actually a 100 capacity egg incubator. It's actually not automatic, so if you want to change the positioning of the egg, you need to do it manually with your hands. So let me give you a briefing of how the incubator actually functions. So if you're new to this channel, I would like you to subscribe and click on the notification icon to get more of our content. And you can also check out on our previous videos we have been posting on homemade electronic equipment. So let's get started. I will start by introducing the interior of our incubator. As you can see, the incubator, the interior, we actually plated the interior with aluminum filing, and this was to secure the heat and to make sure we have little or no heat escape. And you see we have two trays for the eggs. Each tray has a capability of containing 50 eggs. Combining the two, that's 100 eggs. So this is why the incubator was built for 100 eggs. And beneath we see a little bowl here. This bowl is to place water and you keep inside the incubator. That's for humidity. So in case you want to get a certain amount of humidity, it will be determined by the amount of water that will be placed, or the surface area of the water that will be placed inside. And as you can see, this here we have a sensor, a temperature sensor that actually gets the value of the temperature inside and displays the value onto our screen here. So previously we used the 7 segment display to display values, but we actually after later on updated the incubator, and we are now using an LCD to display the values. And looking at the other side, as you can see, we have a switch button to turn off and on the entire system, and we have air gaps here. These are little holes that are kept for air to get into the machine. The egg or the chickens which will be hatched will actually need air to sustain them inside, so this actually provides us with that air. So the entire system, the entire heater is built in this vacuum, and the heat produced is now sent through the main system by some fans. We placed fans inside, and as you can see, this is where we have a big frame of glass. And the reason why we choose to do this with a glass was to make sure the system inside is transparent. We can actually see everything happening inside with our eggs. So let's turn the machine on and see how it actually works. Okay, now let me turn on the machine and show you how it actually works. Okay, here we go. Okay, so as of now we are using only the temperature sensor. We can't actually get the value for the humidity. So this is the value of the temperature, the initial temperature. The value of the humidity, for now we don't have any sensor that measures the humidity. And we have the maximum temperature. The maximum temperature is actually a temperature that you can set using this button. This button is actually to adjust the temperature and the humidity of a system to set either to a maximum. When the temperature reaches a maximum, the heater actually triggers off, and when the system is actually below, the temperature is below maximum, the heater stays on. So let's say we want to shift our maximum temperature to 30, or let's say 49 rather. So we press the reset button and we take it up to 49. Yeah, here we go. So that's how we shift the maximum temperature to any value we can, or any value we want the incubator to be. That's based on the egg we are actually hatching. So as you can see, our temperature right now is ranging between 20 to 30, 20, that's 27 to 30. And the reason why we have this fluctuation is because of the sensor we are actually using is not a good sensor, I might say. So in later on we are going to change a sensor and we'll use something preferable, something more specific, and that can give us a more precise value. So after watching this video, if you like our content, I remind you, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification icon.